So good afternoon to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about IDBI Bank share. So today morning also when we were discussing, we have seen Nifty opened with gap up. Later we know that due to various global factors, especially because of US bond yields, again the market started correcting and Nifty Bank as well as Nifty. So both of them have ended on negative side. So I told clearly whenever we see any sort of correction like this, it is an opportunity for us. We need to add good quality stocks for long term. So I will discuss all the stocks, and if you are also having any doubt regarding any share, you can message me in Instagram as well. So Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So today we are going to discuss about IDBI Bank. So this particular stock also corrected, and if you see the current market price is near 34 rupees level. So Nifty is also currently down. Okay, so we'll do the volume analysis first and then mainly we'll discuss the technicals where it is following the chart patterns very well. So what will be the next support zone and what will be the next target also we will discuss. So make sure you join the Telegram group and also you're subscribed to the channel. So now let's discuss about IDBI Bank. Okay, so first when we discuss about deliveries that have been taken on March 17th, so you can see roughly 42% deliveries have been taken, and if we compare with the previous days, so that time we have seen 39.3%, again we have seen 38.4%, so little deliveries are also increasing. Because why? When market is in correction, so many people buy at that particular level, especially when 4%, 3% fall is there, so it will be attractive to many investors. So we know that on March 17th also roughly 7% correction was seen in the stock. So especially during this period of time when market is correcting, so stocks which are in little overbought region, so they only start correcting first. So make sure you're booking the profit on time as well, especially in overbought stocks. If you're invested in oversold stock at a very good level, then no need to sell it, so you can hold those stocks for long term. Okay, so that is the basic thing. So now let's switch over to the technical charts. So there we'll see what are the supports as well as resistances. Okay, so we're back onto the chart. So this is the IDBI Bank chart. So this is 1 day chart. So you can see currently it is trading near 34.445, and you can see almost it is down 4% and it is trading right now. So this is 1 day chart. So clearly you can see when it has formed the gap up. Okay, when you can see when it has formed the gap up. So after that from 45 it has continuously fell, and what it was doing, it was filling the gap. Can you see here? So first it has filled the gap, again now it is going near the moving averages. So I tell to all my viewers to keep two moving averages. So one is 50-day exponential moving average and another one is 200-day exponential moving average. So you can see clearly both the moving averages are almost approaching closer to each other, and you can see they are at their levels only. So what is the first level we are seeing? First one is 34 rupees, second one is 33 rupees. So all three are there. So one support is there basically. What is that one support? So that we have discussed, 32 is one support. After that 50-day you can see it is near 33, and you can see 200-day is also near 34. So three very good supports are there for IDBI Bank, and if it respects that, definitely again we may see the reversal. So when it came out of PCA, so we have discussed in that particular video, and not only this bank, we have discussed about three banks as well. So you might be knowing about Central Bank, UCO Bank, IOB Bank. So about these also we have discussed. So technical wise we are seeing it is taking the support near the 33 or 34 rupees level. So Monday, that is tomorrow, again it would be very important to watch out. So today's weekly expiry basically. So due to the global factors, so that is one reason why today we have seen little fall. So we can't sell complete correction, but okay, obviously correction happens, so due to global factors, but take it as an opportunity and definitely invest in good quality stocks. So money flow index also you can see it is near 70. So obviously since it after the huge rally it has gone to overbought region, so after that little profit booking happens and again it tries to come down. Okay, let it settle little bit, so then only take the position. So in 1 week chart also, okay, you can see big candle has been formed. So this particular week was completely red for IDBI Bank. But previously, if you do comparison, so that time consequently 2 weeks we have seen positive movement. So here also you can see in 1 week chart it is taking the support of the 34 rupees level. So make sure you watch this level very carefully. So after that immediately we have 32 rupees. Okay, so these are going to be very crucial in the coming days. So if market corrects, so watch these levels and try to give the entry. So another thing, closing is very important. So if it is closing below any support, don't take any position. Similarly, when it is closing above any resistance, at that time you can have a fresh entry. So these are also important points. Okay, so in this also money flow index slightly correction it is showing. So that is what we can say. So little bank nifty is down. So when bank nifty is down, obviously banking stocks also will go be in the pressure. Okay, so find best quality stocks. So further if you're having any doubt, you can message me. So until then, take care. Bye bye.